In this video, we will do the book exercise of the lesson Silver Arrow from the class 4 Britannica series. Okay, these are the match the column. First of all, you have given Robin Hood, helpful, spectators, excited, poor people, miserable, sheriff. We have cruel. Okay, in this way you can do 3, 5, 1, 6, 4, 7, 2. Okay, now I had already posted the question answer in my previous video. You can go through it. You have to search like this, the silver arrow and questions. Okay, look at that. We have to just write down their emotions. Look, the woman is looking sad, na? So she is sad. The boys look happy, so he is delighted. That man is angry. Okay, now word pairs. The sheriff got a big shock. The sheriff got a large shock. We cannot say like this because it's wrong. We always say a big shock, large shock, although the meaning is same, big and large. But with a certain kind of words, we just use certain adjectives. Okay. So similarly, in the next page, we have heavy rain, strong rain. We cannot say a strong rain. We have to say a heavy rain. Fast rain, quick rain. Now fast rain is correct. Now we have to do the similar exercise. The merry men was early rises. Robin Hood liked to give the poor pleasant surprises. Robin Hood left for the contest after having a heavy breakfast. A strong wind blew through the woods. The birds in Sherwood Forest sang a very beautiful song. Now, is the next exercise. It is somehow related to the pronunciation and what we have to do. कितनी बार हम breath लेते हैं एक word को बोलते समय. वो तभी होता है जब कई बार ऐसा होता है कि जितने वॉवल्स होते हैं एक स्पेलिंग में और उसके साथ जो कॉन्सोनेंट्स होते हैं वो जो एक साउंड बनाते हैं उसको हम एक सिलेबल कहते हैं. लुक हियर, अ वॉवल एंड यूजुअली वन और मोर कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स टुगेदर फॉर्म अ सिलेबल. ओके, जैसे देखो प्राइस, इसको हम एक ही ब्रेथ में बोल रहे हैं ना, तो ओ. फ्रेंडली, एक ब्रेथ आ गया ना, एक सांस ले ली हल्की सी. फ्रेंडली, 2 syllables. एक्साइटेड, 3 syllables. Bow, 1 syllable. Forest, 2 syllables. Humbly, 2 syllables are there. That's correct. Excitement, 3 syllables. Green, is spoken in a single breath and 2 vowels are there, but they are all together, so only 1 syllable. Match, 1 syllable. Now they are dictionary words. To speak mockingly मतलब किसी का मजाक उड़ाना. Polite, rude, it means we are speaking rudely. When someone is mumbling मतलब ऐसे धीरे धीरे कुछ बड़बड़ाते हुए बोलना है ना. जब बच्चे कुछ मम्मा से कुछ कहते हैं, मम्मा मुझे टॉय चाहिए, सो ये mumbling होता है ना. तो speech is unclear when we mumble. Now turning to the next page, and that's page 30 of your book. To speak hastily, it means to speaking thoughtlessly, बिना सोचे समझे बोलना. When someone says something cautiously, they speak carefully. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to underline the adjective. Now what are adjectives? Adjectives are the describing word. They describe a noun or pronoun. हमें बताते हैं कि noun और pronoun कैसे हैं, तो उनकी क्वालिटी बताते हैं, क्वांटिटी बताते हैं और नंबर बताते हैं. वो वर्ड्स होते हैं एडजेक्टिव. जैसे यहाँ पे हमने अंडरलाइन कर दिया है पहले, बट आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन. दैट वॉज एन एक्साइटिंग मॉर्निंग है, कैसी है, एक्साइटिंग है. नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर सम फूड चाहिए. कितना चाहिए, थोड़ा चाहिए. लेट्स, इसमें कोई एडजेक्टिव नहीं है. लेट्स ईट अंडर द शेडी ट्री. हाउ इज़ द ट्री शुड बी शेडी. इट इज़ अ लार्ज इनफ, बहुत बड़ा है. I'll ask those young men to place the 4 benches and high iron table. Next, men young, describe कर रहा है men को. benches कितनी है, 4 है. amount बता रहा है हमें, नंबर बता रहा है. टेबल है, कैसी है, हाई है और आयरन की है. नेक्स्ट, वेजिटेबल्स ग्रीन. फेमस, हॉट सूप. फेमस इज डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड ना फॉर सूप. Now, here you are, see my boys carrying 6 large trays laden with plenty of food and drinks. Now, 6 and large, they are describing words. They describe the number, they describe the quality. Next, with the plenty of food. Now, what you have to do now, write the adjective from exercise A, this exercise, and you have to correct the columns. क्वालिटी बताने वाले वर्ड्स यहाँ लिखना है, क्वांटिटी वाले यहाँ, नंबर वाले यहाँ, ठीक है. नंबर के हमारे पास 4 और 6 ही थे. क्वांटिटी सम एंड प्लेंटी, सम थोड़ा, प्लेंटी बहुत सारा. क्वालिटी एक्साइटिंग, शेडी, लार्ज, यंग, हाई, आयरन, ग्रीन, टेंडर, हॉट, फेमस. Okay, now we have to underline the possessive adjective. Children, if you want to learn more about the possessive adjectives and possessive pronoun, you can go through my video, and the name of that video is possessive pronoun verbs and possessive adjectives. Okay, this is the name of the video. You can go through it and easily you can understand what is the concept behind them. So first one has been already done. Now the contestants' quivers were filled with arrows. These are called the quivers. Okay, so we can say their, we can use instead their possessive adjective. Possessive adjective मतलब जो possessions बताते हैं, उनका, hers, his, theirs, just like this. Okay, the contestants' quivers were filled with arrows. So we can write their instead of the contestants. The arrow, their pointed end. Okay, the arrows pointed at, their pointed at. Now turning to the next page, and that's page 32 of your book. That's you are his prisoner now. We have to underline this one, his. Okay, now next, the guards' greed made them leave the sheriff alone. Now the guards, we can say their greed. Robin Hood said, the sheriff will live in my and my men's home in the woods. His, instead of my, we can say his and his men's. Next, choose the correct words to fill in the blanks, and that first one is, that forest is called Sherwood Forest. The merry men live in this forest. Robin Hood works with these men, because it's plural now, that's why we use these. We help those villagers. Now plurals hai, isliye those. What is in these bags? Are those horned beasts yours? Okay, where we use this, और this को हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं जो चीज़ हमारे पास में है ना, और जो चीज़ दूर है उसके लिए that यूज़ करते हैं सिंगुलर्स में, और प्लूरल्स में हमारे पास में पड़ी है कोई चीज़, the thing which is nearby us, we use this, these, and the thing which is far away from us, we use those. Okay, now next exercise we have degrees of comparison. I had already posted my video regarding degrees of comparison. You can go through it and you can find out all this solution. Now in just take a glance what we should do. In the positive we have the base word, and in the comparative we use er, and in the superlative we use est. Okay, small, smaller, smallest, and the words that had more syllables we can use more and most with them. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, so sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Now we have fast, faster, fastest. We had est in the superlative. Now tastier and tastiest is given to us, and we have to write tasty. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Okay, now you can write down. Now turning to the next page, we have, okay, now we have a writing paragraph given to us, and what you have to do, you have to write a paragraph on your best friend, and you have to write just 8 sentences, and I had already written that for you. Okay, here we have my best friend. A best friend is the most special treasure in our lives. Lives is correct, na? Among all my friends, Rahul is my best friend. Now you can write the name of your friend. He is 10 years old. If he is a boy, you have to write he, and if the girl, you have to write she. He studies in my class and we sit on the same bench. He is very studious. बहुत अच्छा है, पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छा है, and scores well in all the exams. He is very punctual and well mannered. He respects teachers and elders. Enough. We share our lunch boxes at school and play lots of games together. I always want to be with him. Okay, so girls have to write she. You can also write according to your creativity, but I think that's much for class 4. Have a nice day, kids, and don't forget to share the video, subscribe and like it. Have a nice day.